Welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be required to simplify square roots, square root 324 minus square root 308. We need to simplify that expression. Now, to proceed, we first of all will express them in form that we can manipulate. 324 is a perfect square. The square root of 324 is 18. So I will write 18 in place of square root of 324. But 308 is not a perfect square. However, I can express 308 as a product of two numbers. 308 is 4 times 77. Also, this 18, I can express it as a sum of two numbers, which is 11 and 7. Then 77 is a product of 11 times 7. So I will make the substitutions here. So instead of writing 308, what I will write now is 4 times 77. Now 4 is a perfect squared. Being a perfect squared, I will find the square root of 4. The square root of 4 is 2. So it becomes root 18 minus square root of 4 is 2. Then I have root 77. 77, I will now write it as 11 times 7. So 18 is 11 plus 7. I'll put that substitution there for 18. 11 plus 7 minus 2. 77 is 11 times 7. Now, I will now have to manipulate. I'll write the square root of 11 and then still square it. The same thing with 7. It becomes the square root of 11, I will square it, plus the square root of 7, I will also square it, minus 2 root 11 times 7. Now let's remember that in algebra, we have an expansion like this. A minus b all squared is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So I can write it as a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. So this expression rather is in this form. That means that my 11 is a and my 7 is b. And we can see my 2 minus 11 minus square root 11 times 7 is here. Now let us write this one in this form. Since this now can simplify into this, it becomes the square root of 11 minus the square root of 7 all squared. This square root will cancel this square root. So what I have is square root of 11 minus square root of 7. If I find the square root of 11, subtract it, or subtract the square root of 7 from the square root of 11, I will have this. So this is the answer.